Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change text font color in a comment box using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor. Now click on this comment option, this menu bar, and double click on this comment box. And this mouse cursor now showing the inside this comment box. And drag your mouse cursor, select your text, you want to change text color, and this right side bar here you will find this comment box dialog box and this font color option. You can see this font color and this text font color. Now says I'll add here another color, this color, and see this. Also I'll change this text font color and make it green and see this. Also since text box color, you can make it only border color and fill color and see this. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.